Hello. I am Junior. In this video I will show you how to upload short video on YouTube. It will be containing 2 parts: download on computer and smartphone. Step by step. Hope this video help. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Quite recently YouTube launched Shorts to compete with TikTok. At the time of this writing, the users in India have access to the fully functional version of the app. For the remaining part of the globe, although YouTube Shorts is available for both Android and iOS platforms, its functions are limited as the application is still in its beta phase. With that said, the following sections explain the step-by-step process on how to upload short video on YouTube Shorts both from your smartphone and a PC. Part 1. How to upload short video on YouTube from PC. The fact is, if you are using a computer to upload short videos to YouTube, the process is identical to publishing your other, regular footages. However, there are a few guidelines that your clips must comply with so that the streaming platform can specifically identify them as YouTube Shorts. These norms include: your videos must not be more than 60 seconds long in duration. They must be shot in portrait orientation, ideally in the 9:16 aspect ratio. The title or the description must contain #shorts, without quotes, in it. Once you have a video recorded using the first 2 guidelines from the above list, you can use the instructions given below to upload the media on YouTube. Step 1. Select a short video to upload. Launch your favorite web browser on your PC, go to YouTube, make sure to sign into your YouTube account, click the Create Camera icon from the top right corner of the web page, click Select Files on the Upload Videos window, and locate, select, and upload a short video from your PC to the portal. Step 2. Mark the video as short. On the Details window that appears, add #shorts in the title or description field, optionally pick a thumbnail from the suggested images present under the Thumbnails section, or upload a custom picture from your PC. Select your preferred radio button from under the Audience section, make the other necessary changes if need be, and click Next. When the Video Elements window comes up, choose your preferred options and elements, and click Next. Step 3. Publish the short video. On the Visibility window, choose your preferred radio button from under the Save or Publish section, or select Schedule to set a different time when the short video should be published automatically. Finally, click Save to publish the clip as a short video on YouTube from your computer. To sum up, uploading YouTube Shorts video from desktop has nothing different from uploading regular YouTube video besides the requirements listed at the beginning of this video. If you prefer to edit YouTube Shorts videos on a computer, I recommend you to try Video Editor Filmora X, which is an ideal solution for YouTube. Part 2. How to upload short video on YouTube mobile app. The process of how to upload YouTube Shorts from the mobile app is fairly simple as compared to the method used on a computer. In fact, while using the app, you can either upload an existing video, or shoot a new one from within the program itself then and there, add music and/or text, and upload it right away. Both these methods are explained below in detail. Note: the guidelines for creating and uploading short videos to YouTube remain the same, regardless of the platform or device you use. Method 1. Upload an existing short video. Note: make sure to have the target video on the smartphone, and that you have downloaded, installed, and signed into the YouTube app before proceeding. Step 1. Select a video to upload. On your Android or iOS smartphone, launch the YouTube app, tap the plus, Create, icon from the bottom. Tap Create a Short from the Create box that pops up from the bottom. Tap Upload from the bottom right corner of the next screen, and select and upload a short, 60 seconds video recorded in portrait orientation from your device's storage to the app. Step 2. Add details. On the next screen, tap Next, use the music and text icons at the bottom left corner to add a background music and caption to the video respectively, and tap Next from the top right corner. On the next screen, enter a name for the video in the title field along with the #shorts tag, and tap Select Audience to choose your preferred audience. Step 3. Upload the video. Finally, tap Upload from the top right corner to upload the short video on YouTube. Method 2. Record a short video and upload. Step 1. Record Shorts video. Please note you will not see the Create a Short option if you are outside of India. YouTube app, tap the plus, add, button and then select Create a Short. Please note you will not see the Create a Short option if you are outside of India. Next, use the speed and timer icons to set the speed of the video and the countdown timer duration before the app starts recording the video when you press the record button respectively. Now tap the record button from the bottom to start recording a video, and tap stop to stop the recording. Make sure to shoot the footage in the portrait mode, ideally in the 9:16 aspect ratio. Tap next from the bottom right corner to proceed to the next step. Step 2, add text and music to the short video. On the next window, use the music and text buttons from the bottom left corner to add a background music and caption to the video, and tap next from the top right corner. Step 3, upload and post the short video. On the Add Details window, enter a name for the video along with the hashtag shorts tag in the Create a Title field, tap Select Audience to select the target audience, and tap Upload from the top right corner to upload the short video on YouTube. Conclusion. Learning the process of how to post short videos on YouTube is fairly simple as long as you have the video recorded in the portrait orientation. It is up to 60 seconds long, and contains the hashtag shorts tag, without quotes, in the title or description. The good thing is, if you don't have access to the YouTube app on your smartphone, the method for how to upload short video on YouTube explained in the first section can be followed while using your desktop computer. That's all for the video on how to upload shorts video on YouTube. Hope this video helped you guys. Please like and subscribe for more videos and helps the channel also. Thank you for watching.